Hey guys, this is Claudia here from the Bookkeeping Experts. I'm always so excited to see you again one more time, learning a little bit more about your accounting and how to grow your business. Okay, today we are going to talk about delayed charges. What is delayed charges, Claudia? Okay, that is a way to expedite your business and charge or record the charges for your customers that you're not ready to bill yet. All right, so we're gonna show you how we do it, show you how you can apply that into your business. Remember last week we talked about transactions. They're recurring, but those transactions it's not applicable to all clients, because if your clients don't have the same billing every week, you can't do those. But the delayed charges you can. So you can record the charges that your clients are accruing but not ready to be billed, and then at the end of the month you can do what we call a batch billing, right? And send it all at the same time. So that does save you lots of time, and of course, you know, it's easier for you when the invoicing is not the same each time. All right, so enough of that. Here we go to QuickBooks Online. Okay. Let me move myself out of here so you can see a little better. There it is. Okay. So first of all, how do I record a delay charge? So let's suppose I have a landscaping company, or I have clients pretty much doing every kind of, from restaurants to attorneys to retailers and e-business. Lots of e-business. E-business is growing a lot since COVID. So if you want to know what are people doing after they quit their job, a lot of them are doing e-business, and I'm excited about that because I get to be part of people's life and got to watch them succeed. So it's really cool for me. Okay, so how to get there? Left hand side on the plus new. I always remind you that with the new QuickBooks Online interface, if you see things looking a little different, kind of like this, it's because you are on the business view. To change it, very easy. You can change back and forth. Click on the top right hand side menu and click on switch to accounting view. That's the one that I use over and over again. Everything is pretty much the same, but it's just kind of placed in different ways. So just different interface, but it's all in there. All right, so plus new here, and we're gonna record a delayed charge. So I service the client. So I'm gonna do Amy's Bird Sanctuary, and we're gonna put the kind of service we provided her. Let's see, I'll just put service here, $200, and we're gonna save a new. We had more customers we served today. I went to Cool Cars, and I also provided service for them. So I don't want to lose track of that, so I want to record those transactions right away. So that's why we do the delay charge. But I'm not ready to charge them yet, because in this case, these clients, they have more than one service for the month. And I just send them the bill at the end of the month. So I'm not ready to bill them yet. And that's why we use delay charges. All right, here it is. This one we provided some rocks, and that was $100. Okay, it is taxable in this case because that's a physical product. Okay, so we're gonna save new. We have one more. Let's see, Duke's basketball camp. This one we just provided services. All right, so let's suppose it's twice a week. So here's $100, and and we're gonna save and close. All right. And then, I had all these charges for all these clients. And then now I want to find out what do I have that I need to charge those clients. How do I get there? So on the left hand side, if you click on sales, okay, you can put all sales, okay, and here on all sales you have the overview, all sales, invoices, right? But those transactions are going to be on all sales. And then on the blue tab over here where it says unbilled transactions, you click over here, and then you're ready to select those transactions and create an invoice. Okay, so let's suppose this one we just created here. See that? So this is unbilled activity. Okay, we can do a batch transaction here. And we should, no, it's not letting me, because this is a sample company, by the way. So it doesn't always work the way we want to, but we can click here, create invoice, and then save and send. Okay, this will give you a little bit more control in regards to sending bills that you are accruing throughout the month, but you're not ready to invoice at that point. So the billing is accruing, but is not ready to invoice the client. So that's why we use delay charges. All right, so hopefully this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, just please write down below, and we get to those questions fairly quickly. Unless we're on vacation, we'll be on vacation in a week, so we're excited about that. Sometime with the family, so I may put a video here. We are going to Aguadilla, Puerto Rico, and I may just record a few things, and we'll just enjoy the time with our family. Wanted to remind all of you that as you are pursuing your dream, make sure you take some time to spend with your family, with your loved one, to create memories, because that's what is most important in this life. We want to succeed, we want to make sure we reach our goals, but on the process you gotta enjoy it. You want to make sure that you're making memories and you're enjoying the entire process of getting to where you need to get. So I'm excited to be part of your success. And I hope that you like this video. And if you do like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to our channel. We're going to be back here with all kinds of free tutorial. I wish I had all this free tutorial back in the day when I started. But the reason why I think it's important and I want to share my knowledge with you is because I want you to succeed. I want you to be able to look at your financials and know exactly what you need to do in order to grow your business. So for this reason, we have all those free tutorials, and we want you to have access to all of them. So if you want to have access, subscribe to our channel, and also share with your friends. Share with your friends, with your business partners, with anybody, everybody you want to, anybody that will benefit from understanding QuickBooks Online and getting some free tutorial on the subject. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe, write down a comment down below. What would you like us to cover next time? We'll take a look at that too. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending this time here with me. I look forward for our next time. Until next time, keep on smiling.